Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to draw eyelash and eye in Adobe Draw. The first thing I'm start with is gonna be the eyelash. So I am gonna outline the eyelash with the basic taper brush. My size is 2.0 and their app is called Adobe Illustrator Draw. So just outline the eyelash which is connected to the all sides and make sure it's fully connected so you can add color on. When it's fully connected, just press and hold to add a color. Once I am finished doing that, I am gonna outline the eye. Now I am doing the eyelashes. For the eyelashes, my brush size will be either 1.0 or 1.5. It's up to you. So if you want to make eyelashes, you should flick upwards. It's kind of like a U, but it's not a U. You just flick upward. Flick up. You just do line going up, up, up. So just do that. When I do eyelashes, I do some small and some big because I don't want all the eyelashes to be exactly the same. I want the eyelashes to be of different size so can look better. Keep doing the eyelashes. Now I am doing the bottom ones which is flick downwards. So just go down, down. So just do that down.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So now I am outlined the eye. Connect this side to this other end. Then other connects this end to this end. Then this end to this end. And then I add the pupil, which is press and hold and add a color. Now I am going to outline the eyebrow and then I am get different layer to add a color to the eyebrows and eye. So outline the eyebrow, make sure to make a different layer to make this eyebrow. So just outline the eyebrow. Now I am create a new layer. Make sure if your new layer under your first layer. I use the basic round brush to add color to the eyebrow. My opacity will be 15, so make sure it's under your first layer so the color can go under the outline of eyebrow, not over it. So just do the eyebrow. Make sure the front is light and make sure the end is dark. It's kind of like a gradient eyebrow basically. So make sure it's light, then less light, then dark, and then darker. And make sure don't forget to like today's video. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All links in description box below. I hope this video to help you guys to learn how to draw eyelash and eye on Adobe Illustrator Draw. Now I am gonna erase the extra color on the sides. Get the eraser and just erase the extra stuff. So keep erasing the extra color.
But you know I never will. choke you down just like a pill.
Now I am get the basic tip brush and just add a little lines. It's like a little hair strokes. So the eyebrow look like a realistic. It looks good. Now I am get the color white. So keep adding the outline. Then just press and hold to add a color. Then do the same to the other side. So just outline, make sure all sides are connected. So just press and hold. Now I'm going to pick up the color from the eye. Now I'm gonna add the color. We're doing this on a second layer because I need the color going under the outline, not over the outline.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you,
Now we will add some kind of shades and lines to the eye because you don't want the eye looks plain and weird. So I am get the dark color and just lower the opacity and just add dark shades around the eye. So just add like dark shade around the eye like this. So just add more darker shades around the eye. So I am doing again. It looks good. Now I am picking up the color over here. And just outline the sides, then press hold to add a color. Okay, that's good. Okay, now get the basic taper brush and pick up the color from the eye and press on color. Swipe right to make it lighter, then just press done. Now just lower the opacity and start adding little lines. This will make the eye looks realistic. Just add little lines like this.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
This will make the eye looks more realistic. Now I am get the basic round brush and color white and just add little reflection on the eye like a little highlight. So just add them.
Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. Get my fill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you.
Now get the color black and lower the opacity and just dark shades down across the eye.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah.
So just add dark color across the eye. So just keep
You like a pill.
adding the dark shades on eye.
Get my fill, you're like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Done. Thanks for watching.